Feeling a sore throat coming on? Or that stubborn cold that won't go away? Let me tell you about a tiny green leaf. That's been healing coughs for centuries, naturally. It's Tulsi, also known as holy basil. Not just a sacred plant, but a natural powerhouse. Just a few leaves boiled in water. Add a little ginger honey and sip it warm. It soothes your throat, clears congestion, and boosts your immunity, all in one go. And guess what? Tulsi is super easy to grow at home, in a pot by your window or on the balcony. So next time you catch a cold, don't rush to pills. Let nature do the healing. Follow us for more medicinal plant guides.